Making it. Premiered 2018. Hometown. More Hometown 132 of 398 the best reality TV shows ever 143 of 186 the best reality shows currently on TV 1 of 14 the best current HGTV shows. Newlyweds, the first year. My Big Fat Revenge. Modelinia Fashion Week TV. Love Your Garden. Or 24 of 62 the best home improvement TV shows, 3 of 22 the best gardening TV shows. The Revolution. Premiered 2012. Kris TV. Perth Street Scene TV. Everyday Elegance. Studio One. Grand Designs Australia. Tiny House Hunting. Love It or List It Vancouver. Love It or List It. Love It or List It. Recreating Eden. Premiered 2002. The Hunt for Britain's Sex Traffickers. Love Thy Mr. Love Thy Besides. Premiered 2010. Living It Up. Premiered 2007. How Long Will You Live? Hoarders. Premiered 2009. The Unsellables. Guide to the Good Life. Premiered 2009. Batteries Not Included. Mercurio's Menu. Premiered 2008. Operation Transformation. Day Off. Day Off. The Gadget Show. Premiered 2004. MTV Full Tank. Boy and Kris. Premiered 2007. Rated K. Premiered 2001. Ask It. Premiered 2010. The 5:30 Show. The Outdoor Room. Premiered 2008. May the Best House Win. Strong Cell. Burke's Backyard. The Hour. Premiered 2009. Simply Casey. Born Diva. Gardening Australia. Premiered 1989. DIY Sauce. DIY Sauce. The Stagers. Top Billing. Better Homes and Gardens. Premiered 1996. Changing Rooms. The Hampton Roads Show.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.